In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a folder in Google Drive. Fix Today here. Let's begin. Start by opening your browser and going to drive.google.com. Log into your account so you can access your files and folders. Once you're inside your Google Drive, look through your main file list or the sidebar on the left to find the folder you want to rename, and take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct folder before moving forward. Now right-click on the folder. This will open a context menu with several options. From this menu, click on Rename. As soon as you click it, a small text box will appear over the current folder name. Click inside that text box and begin typing your new folder name. Take your time as you enter the name so it appears exactly how you want it. You can include symbols or special characters if needed, and the name will update exactly as you type it. Once you've finished typing the new name, press Enter on your keyboard or click OK. The folder name will immediately update and the change will reflect across all devices connected to your Google Drive. If you prefer using a keyboard shortcut, click once on the folder to highlight it, then press Ctrl plus Alt plus E on your keyboard. This will open the rename field instantly, allowing you to type the new name without right-clicking. Another way to rename a folder is from inside the folder itself. Double-click to open the folder, then go to the top of the screen where the folder name is displayed. Click on the name, and a drop-down will appear. From there, select Rename and type in your new name, then press Enter to confirm. If you're using the Google Drive desktop app, you can also rename folders directly from your computer. Open File Explorer and navigate to your Google Drive, which usually appears as the G Drive. Find the folder you want to rename, right-click it, and choose Rename. Type the new name, then press Enter. The change will automatically sync and update in your online drive. Renaming a folder will not affect any shared links. Anyone who already has access to the folder will still be able to open it even after the name has been changed. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.